What's up everybody, Brandon Hubert here, Berkshire Hathaway. Welcome to 87 Littlewood. Today, Dave Mysick's got the lead on this, and we're gonna go find out why it's such a great place to live. Let's go.
Entering from the foyer into our grand room, there are hardwood floors. Our former owner was a techie, so everything is wired. If you follow me into the kitchen, very modern and bright. We've got our white subway tile and white cabinets, beautiful granite countertops and undermount sink, and leads directly into our decked backyard. Absolutely pristine for entertaining. There's enough room. With where we are, the location, we're very close to some of the highest rated schools. Everyone wants to live in Oakville.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Before we head up, there is a powder room on the main floor that has been fully renovated.
Go ahead, be gone with it. Look at those hips.
Best place to start would be the secondary primary bedroom, currently set up as a theater room.
Get your sexy out. Go ahead, be gone with it.
We head down the hallway with our hardwood floors, third bathroom, and our nursery and second bedrooms. Hardwood throughout the primary suite. There are his and hers walk-in closets, as well as a beautiful stand-up shower, soaker tub.
Dave, thank you so much for, having me here and showing me around. This is a beautiful property.
Absolutely great location, double car garage. I think anybody would be happy to call this place home.